There are many different ways to reload your operating system on your computer, many different reasons. Viruses, bad hard drive, whatever. But who's got time to burn CDs? And nowadays, computers don't even come with ROMs in them. So today I'm going to show you how to make a bootable thumb drive that you can reload your OS on today. And we're going to do that with diskpart. There's two things you're going to need. You're going to need one of these, at least 8 gigs. I would suggest 16. And your ISO, which is right here. So what you want to do is you want to first pop your USB drive into your spot. Mine's not that easy to get to. Alright. Once you've done that, come down here to the start button. You're going to type in CMD, which is going to open the task manager. Not task manager, but the command prompt. And then you're going to type in diskpart. Click yes. And there you go. Now with this, we're actually going to format the drive. We're going to create a partition on it. We're going to put a file system on it that your computer will recognize. So the first thing we want to do is type in list disk. That way you can see everything in your computer. Oh, guess it'd help if I typed them all. Okay, we're going to choose disk 2. That is our thumb drive. So we're going to select disk 2. Now that it's selected, we're going to type in clean. Now the clean is actually what formats it. Erases everything on it. Makes it clean, ready to use. Now that we've cleaned it, we're going to create our partition. So we're going to type in create part, and it's going to be a primary pry. It doesn't take long. Now that that's done, it should be the only partition down there, so now we're going to select partition 1. Now that that's selected, here's where we put the file system on. We're going to format it. We're going to do the file system, that's what FS equals, or FS stands for, equals ntfs. And we don't want to sit here all day, we want it to do it quickly, so we're just going to type in quick. This might take, depending on your computer's hardware, about a minute. And believe it or not, we're about done. It's this simple. Now that we have created that partition, we're going to mark it active just by typing the word active. And now that it's active, we can go ahead and exit this. We are all set to put our operating system on our thumb drive. So we're going to click on the File Explorer, which I already have open over here. We're going to go to this PC. We're going to open up the root directory on our thumb drive, which is the main directory as soon as you open it. Now we don't actually just click and drag the ISO in there. We have to open the ISO and extract what's in it. So with Windows 10, you just double click it and it opens it up for you. Then just go ahead and highlight everything that's in there, copy it with Control C, and then paste it with Control V. Once this is all done, all you have to do is put it in the computer you want to load, fire it up, boot from your drive, and the setup begins. Thanks for watching.